you to Manila. The time is 4:54 in the afternoon of November 11, 2022, with a ground temperature of 31 degrees Celsius or 87.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, please remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. For passengers who need assistance, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Michael Ray, Ritinho, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Yay! Thanks God. We are safe flying.
May we remind our passengers to continue to wear your face masks and continue to observe physical distancing during disembarkation. Please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Thank you for your cooperation.